Thanks for staying tuned to 15 on 15 and welcome back from the break. Last week, we aired a lifestyle story regarding using flour made from crickets to produce protein bars. We got plenty of feedback on that. Now, a new dining trend seems to be on the rise. Traditional Mexican food apparently tastes better with ants. A restaurant in New York City called the Black Ant features the insect in pretty much all their dishes. Bugs have been a dietary staple of many cultures for centuries now. Yet, Westerners have been slow to stomach the creepy crawlers. That may be changing. What you see here are delicacies. Expensive delicacies, if I may add. Approximately $200 a pound for maggots. The creepy crawling ingredients are all imported from Mexico. Now, guacamole tastes great as it is, so why add ants, you ask? Well, the chef says these ants have a nice spicy taste to it. So the bugs aren't being added just for novelty reasons. They serve a purpose to the dish. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, indeed.